applawżi, talb u kant solenni. L-atmosfera minn Pjazza Santa Marta sa Pjazza San Pietru l-4 filgħodu. It-tebut tal-qdusija tiegħu il-Papa Franġisku issa jinsab espost tal-qima tal-pubbliku fil-Bażilika ta' San Pietru. Il-purċissjoni bit-tebut tal-Papa tmexxiet mill-Kamerlengo l-Kardinal Kevin Farrell. Miegħu serbut ta' kardinali, saċerdoti u reliġjużi akkumpanjaw lit-tebut tal-Papa. Il-qniepen tal-Bażilika ta' San Pietru laqgħu għall-aħħar darba. Tpoġġa quddiem l-artal maġġur f'dan it-tempju majestus.
We came on a parish pilgrimage for the Jubilee Year of Hope. We arrived Monday, and as we put our phones on, as we landed here in Rome, we heard the sad news that Pope Francis had died. I think on our itinerary months ago, we would have had an audience with the Pope today, which obviously we knew wasn't going to happen.
And we will do, but not in the way that we expected.
Pope Francis.
We love him.
Who was for you, Pope Francis?
Pope Francis was an ordinary, beautiful man who lived his life as a follower of Jesus in his most sincere way, in the most beautiful way. And he taught us all how to be Christians and to be human. And that's what we are so happy about. So we'll follow him. And we want Pope Francis II now.
Operazzjoni mhux żgħira l-awtoritajiet Rumani, ħidma massiċċa biex ileħqu kemm mal-eluf ta' pellegrini li diġà kienu jew qed jaslu Ruma u anke ma' delegazzjonijiet barranin ta' mexxejja dinin li se jattendu għall-funeral. U llum kompla jiltaqgħu wkoll il-kulleġġ tal-kardinali illi fidejh għandu tmexxija transitorja tal-Knisja sakemm jinħatar il-Papa l-ġdid. L-awtorità ta' dan il-kulleġġ hija limitata biss għat-tħejjija ta' elezzjoni jew kif huwa magħruf il-konklavi biex jinħatar ir-raj spiritwali li jmiss tad-dinja Kattolika.